Award 2020 to Senior Chartered Accountant CA M. Bhaskar Rao Garu, founder of Bhaskar Rao and Company. Sir is not able to make it to today's function due to his advanced age. So on his behalf, Subramaniam, CA Subramaniam Garu and his grandson and Miru and his partner Bhaskar Rao Garu is one of the early successful professionals from Hyderabad. He was born in the year 1936. Mocherla Bhaskar Rao Garu comes from a very reputed family of professionals. His grandfather, late Sri Mocherla Ramchandra Rao, was an illustrious member of the legal profession. He was a member of the upper house in composite Madras state and represented the then government of India at the Round Table Conference in London on 5 occasions. He was also a director of the first Central Board of Directors of Reserve Bank of India and founder president of Madras State Cooperative Land Mortgage Bank Limited. Bhaskar Rao Garu set up practice as a chartered accountant in 1961, and under his leadership and with the committed contribution of the team, built up his firm M. Bhaskar Rao & Co., popularly known as MBRC, into one of the best and reputed firm over the last 6 decades. And today it has 11 partners and many chartered accountants and other related staff on its rolls. As the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, he is a co-opted member on the Professional Development Committee and also a member of the Vision Regional Working Group of ICAI. Presently, he is also a member of various committees of Durgabai Deshmukh Hospital and Research Center, Hyderabad. His unique ability to build a consensus on complex professional issues to deliver optimal outcomes is universally acknowledged. Both regulators and clients respect him alike for his integrity and compliance to ethics. A big round of applause to Bhaskar Rao Garu. Friends, I would like to share that when I started my practice in 1989, I did some assignments for Bhaskar Rao Garu, and I am very happy to say this on this eventful occasion.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is C.S. Subramaniam. I am a chartered accountant and a partner of M. Bhaskar Rao & Company. On this auspicious occasion, my senior partner, Mr. M. Bhaskar Rao, is otherwise indisposed, hence is unable to come, and I am his representative here. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this august gathering, and I am indebted to Mr. Bhaskar Rao for having asked me to take this on his behalf. Today in the morning, before I have decided to come over here and receive this award on behalf of Mr. Bhaskar Rao, I had called Mrs. Bhaskar Rao and sought her permission as well as her message of which needs to be read out on this occasion. To put it very briefly, first of all, he was and he is a professional mentor and personal benefactor to many of the chartered accountants and youngsters in this town of Hyderabad and state of Andhra Pradesh. His passion to work has molded many lives, and I am one of the graceful beneficiaries of his benevolence. And it gives me immense pleasure to read out this message which has been sent by Mrs. Bhaskar Rao to be read out here. Good evening to everyone. I am extremely happy that my husband, Sri M. Bhaskar Rao Garu, is receiving a Lifetime Achievement Award from the Institute of Practical Accountants, Hyderabad today. He is unable to be present and receive this award himself as he is recuperating from an illness. I am thankful to the IPA for having appreciated and acknowledged his contribution to the practice of accounting, auditing over 5 decades and considered him for this prestigious award. I remember the days in the 1960s when we had started life together, and he had just started practice and was struggling to find his feet in the profession. He worked very hard, and we have neither weekends nor any time to spend together. He was very passionate about the profession and spent most of his time with his clients in his office or in their offices, and clients were his gods. He is voracious reader and would spend his time reading late into the night or early mornings to prepare for a meeting or hearing before the authorities scheduled for the next day. He slowly but surely built his practice and grew to this stature by sheer dint of his hard work, perseverance, and sincerity and zeal. Despite his hectic work schedule, he is very devoted husband and a wonderful father and a good family man, and spent whatever little time he could get with the family and with both his children. He is very attached to his 6 brothers and a sister, and never missed an occasion to be with them at family gatherings. Our house was always an open home, and everyone in the family were welcome any time of the day or night and would be taken care of. He successfully steered his organization M. Bhaskar Rao and Company to be an institution of higher learning and quality service to the business enterprises and society and young CA trainees not only in Hyderabad but other parts of the country due to his unrelenting passion, principles, and ethics and perseverance at the best. It is very heartening and very satisfying to note that the firm has contributed to the careers and learning life of several hundreds of chartered accountants over the last 5 decades. On this day, I would like to thank all his clients, friends, well-wishers, and members of our families for believing in him and reposing confidence in him for seeking his guidance and advice and other professional services. I also wish to thank his partners, past and present, managers, and staff for their unstinting support in running the practice of according to his cherished values and practices, ethics, and principles. I congratulate everyone at M. Bhaskar and Company on this momentous occasion and wish them all the best. His motto in life is work is worship and karma paramo dharmaha. With these words, she sent me this message, and it gives me great pleasure to present this. A housewife who has contributed in making his husband successful. I'm honored to be part of their family. I thank you very much.